54 from three, but only 43 from the free throw line.
Ginobili with a try. Gets it out to Simmons. Ginobili slashes and tries. How can that man at 39 get that high and slam so hard?
Back the hands of time right here. Nice finish with the right, but more importantly, the reaction from the Spurs bench. Oh my God, they're in shock.
Ginobili to inbound. Green has come in for Simmons for the Spurs. Into Leonard, broke free, the hesitation. It was deceptive, and it worked. Facing, and here's Ginobili on top. We're approaching 3 to play in the third. Driving and scoring. Chiseling for two, Manu Ginobili.
In that third quarter, 3 points.
They're forcing it out of his hands with the defense. Mills, Ginobili, three. Aldridge's screen, switch on defense. Capella onto Ginobili, and inside it goes to Aldridge. Ginobili. Gordon is on him, screened by Aldridge, goes on Capella. Shot clock at 5, the scoop and the score! What a play, Ginobili!
Averaging 3 points in these playoffs.
Mills and Gordon. And picked up, and that was a good call because the position helps Anderson. Here's Harden, Ginobili's on him. He's got, oh, shot, what a play by Ginobili! Knocked it away! San Antonio wins in overtime!
The block shot on James Harden. From behind.
Well-timed, well-positioned, and right on it.